Grab these two hearts from Dollar Tree and let's make a cute door hanger. I'm using some leopard print ribbon to wrap around this red one because I did not like the glitter. Then I'm using Cricut Design Space on my phone and I uploaded this brushstroke image that I downloaded from Canva. I'll do a video on that soon. And once I resized it, I added some text to overlay. I'll have the font on the screen, and I used the words "love lives here" and resized it to go on top of that brushstroke. I cut the brushstroke out on red and the letters in gold, and I'm going to transfer these onto the wooden heart. The red permanent vinyl transferred just fine, but the gold gave me a little bit of trouble, so I decided to use some strong grip painter's tape to transfer the words, and this worked out just fine. Once my vinyl was on the wooden heart, I just used my hot glue to attach one side of the glittered heart to the wood heart, and here is a cute little door hanger for Valentine's.